Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. In this video, we will walk you through the process of changing the Nordyne 1035831R defrost board, ensuring that your HVAC system functions smoothly. Start by turning off the power to the unit at the main breaker to prevent any electrical hazards. Once the power is off, locate the defrost control board, typically found within the outdoor condenser unit. Carefully unscrew and remove the panel that covers the defrost board. Before disconnecting anything, take a clear photo or label each wire to ensure proper reconnection later. Next, disconnect the wires from the old defrost board, making sure to handle them with care. Unscrew or unclip the old defrost board from its mount, then replace it with the new Nordyne 1035831R defrost board. Make sure it's mounted securely. Reconnect all the wires according to your reference photo or labels, checking each connection for tightness. Once everything is reassembled, replace the panel cover and restore power to the unit. Finally, run a test cycle to verify the defrost board is functioning properly. This simple, cost-effective replacement can help maintain your system's performance and extend its lifespan.